Your RV's air conditioning unit may be freezing up due to several possible reasons. First, a damaged thermostat could be the culprit. To determine if this is the case, use a thermometer to check the temperature inside your RV and compare it to the thermostat's readings. If the readings differ, it's likely that the thermostat is faulty and should be replaced. Another possible reason is a dirty air filter, which can be cleaned by first powering down the AC, then wiping away visible dirt with a cloth, and finally washing it with soap and water before reinstalling it once dry. High humidity levels can also cause the AC to freeze up, and using a dehumidifier in the RV can help resolve this issue. Additionally, obstructions such as bird nests and debris can block the unit's airflow. So it's essential to power down the AC, remove the exterior panels, and carefully extract any blockages before cleaning and disinfecting the unit. By addressing these potential causes, you should be able to identify and fix the problem with your RV's air conditioning unit.